Good afternoon, West shaving enthusiasts and newbies. Welcome back into the rabbit hole. It is Cal coming at you with another spotlight and shave review. But first, how's your disc golf game going? I just got home from trucking yesterday, played 9 holes last night, did some practice, went out, did about another 12 or 13 holes today, more practice, got some new discs to try out. Bought my mini markers. These ones are from Innova. Got a new Discraft Z Buzz to try out. Got a new West Side Discs Warship in the VIP plastic to try out, which I'm really liking. So, and the other question is, smoke any cigars lately? Drink any good whiskey lately? Well, let's get into this. Today, we're talking about Van Yulay, Monica Gillum. A buddy of mine told me about this, Dino. Now, Monica does this very cool thing. She's done it at least once or twice, and she's doing it again. My understanding is that she provides the label. You come up with the scent notes. So, this particular one, my buddy Dino, want it? This is Desert Rose. I will get into the scent notes in the multi-speed shave because it is extensive. But what a great scent on this. Something else that's kind of cool. Did you see that? I asked Monica, do you use a cake decorator's piping bag and a tip? And she said she uses an icing bag to load her containers. Monica has been doing this since 1999. Her website is extremely extensive. Skincare and health products. Emu oil, that's one of her claims to fame, is her products have emu oil. Quality, natural, safe products. Wider range of containers. This just happens to be the plastic container I got. This is witch hazel aloe vera based. I also got a sample size of When Life Gives You Hops, Make Lemons. Matching splash for that one. She sent me some other things. Here we have Orange Satsuma lotion.
It rubs the lotion on its skin.
The Big Apple. Now it's got the Pasteur label on it. Another one of the winners for one of her series, or for this particular series, is Wild West. I'm going to try this on another shave. And she has also worked a lot with Frank Misa over at Strike Gold Shave. And she sent me a coupon code to get $5 off my next order at Strike Gold. So, we'll be giving all these products a try. Philip Sharp, gorgeous, massive 3D lather bowl. Coyote Cuts. God, what a beautiful pour that is. I believe it's a 24 millimeter synthetic. Super soft, of course. And we are going with my Gucci A77 style shavette. Check out my video. I did use this a while back. I believe that blade's got one shave on it. I have not shaved in a while. Neglect. Busy playing disc golf, busy trucking. So figure the shavette would probably chew through it. I believe that's loaded with a cloud blade. Really enjoyed using these before, so I'm looking forward to getting into this. So we're going to get into the shave. By the way, these are tallow based. I will list the ingredients or mention them. I'll do some voiceover in the shave portion of this video. I try to keep things relatively short. check it out. Great stuff. And I will talk more about. She has a series or a set that she has on the go right now, Back to the Future, and she's going to request that you guys come up with the scent notes for one of the next releases that she wants to do. I will list that there as well. So check that out. Very cool. So let's get our lather made up. Let's get our shave on. So let's get into the description, the inspiration of this scent, as well as the scent notes of Desert Rose from Yulay, as taken from her sales page. And I'm quoting, "Take a ride through the desert on horseback with the inspiration of the scenery, enjoying the cactus blossoms with the essence of sage and a whirlwind of dirt. Saddle up with the leather while your cowboy relaxes with a whiskey for the night." I'm going to tell you what the scent notes are, and this is a lengthy one, and I apologize for any mispronunciation. We're going to start with gunpowder, leather, tobacco, cactus, black rose, Bulgarian rose, rose geranium, Turkish rose, palmarosa, jama rose, rosewood, lavender, mint, amber, whiskey, myrrh, pine, blood orange, cypress, olibanum, sage, dirt, rose, amber, musk, and finally saffron. To my nose, some scent note profiles that have a lot of notes can become very muddy, and my brain just doesn't quite know what to make of all the different notes hitting me at the same time. This is not the case with Desert Rose. Although there is a lot of different scent notes to it, what I get overwhelmingly with it is warm and spicy. The florals come through. I'm not heavy on the gunpowder. I don't get the heavy musk. I don't get heavy on the leather. It is still a very masculine scent, though, but it doesn't become overwhelming. Now, let me tell you a little bit more about what's going on with the Back and Beyond series. Coming this July 4th, in just a few days from now, Monica will be releasing Marty, which is the next scent in the Back to the Future set. So check that out, and it looks like it's going to pay homage to the Calvin Klein scent 1. And what she's also going to be doing is looking for your help to come up with the scent notes for the next scent that she's going to be doing for the Back to the Future series, Rock the Blue. So check out her personal profile page on Facebook, where you can find the details of that. So very cool of her to offer these, and I'm looking forward to seeing how it goes. So where can you find Yulay products? Well, obviously, the best source is going to be going directly to the Yulay.com website. It's extremely extensive. There's a lot of products there. So definitely check that out first. Secondly, Razor Emporium carries some products. I just recently watched a video from Matt Basarczyk doing a showcase of Yulay products. Also, Pastor's Pharmacy in New York City carries some products, and there are also some listed on Amazon, although Monica told me that the Amazon does need to be updated. But be sure to check out all these, and again, links will be down below. So, as you can see, no weepers at all. In my opinion, when you've got that much growth to go through, you're going to want a soap that's got great slickness so as your razor doesn't catch or bind up on your skin. And that Yulay, super, super slick. Great stuff. Like I said, combined with that Gucci A77 style shavette. I think I like the A77 style shavettes more than the type of shavettes that just take half of a regular DE blade. I like the fact that you can get so much coverage done. And again, that is friggin' near BBS. No binding at all. So great slickness on that soap. Once I find my alum, there we go. The sink was just full of hair. Like I said, honestly, I'm not a super grower, so that was 3 weeks of growth for me, I think. And just nothing to it. The soap holds a lot of water as well. Razor Rock Alum. Almost zero burn, zero irritation. So again, in my opinion, that's a combination of the soap and the type of razor you're using, type of blade you're using. All those things will affect how your shave goes. But wow. So now we are going to take the matching splash, and you have to shake this up. It does settle. So give this a good shake. It does come out quite quick. It's not alcohol based. Oh. Now, some of these scent notes would not typically be in my wheelhouse, but the way she's blended them together, the proportions, it's not heavy, it's not overwhelming, it's not heavy on the smoke. No, it's not. It's floral, but it's not in your face. It's definitely not feminine. Oh. And again, I know that as I've learned more about fragrances lately, that the profile is going to change a bit. I did put some on the back of my hand while I was out having a cigar earlier, and I really liked the way that it lightened up. But again, it's not what I would call a heavy, overwhelming scent. The scent strength is there. It's going to have some staying power. It's not going to draw people around you, but, it's definitely not overwhelming. But just, I would say maybe cologne-y, perfumey type scent on this. Great for everyday wear. Great for the office, in my opinion. You can go away with wearing this just about anywhere. So, and my skin just feels fantastic. So I definitely suggest you check it out. So, again, thanks to my buddy Dino for coming up with the scent notes on this. Check out the next contest that Monica is going to be hosting for her Back to the Future set. But this is Desert Rose. Just amazing scent. Tallow, emu oil. Emu? Whatever. Matching splash. This just happens to be in a plastic bottle. She's got them in glass bottles. She's got them in flasks. She's got them in the rum kegs or the rum bottle type style. But, yeah. Sample sizes. Skincare products. Just fantastic. Still got a hell of a lot of lather left there. Philip Sharp 3D leather bowl. No longer making them. Coyote Cuts synthetic. Great razor, or great brush. Probably one of the first brushes I ever bought. From AliExpress. Gucci 877 style razor. Or Shavette. Just a fantastic razor to use. Check out a video I did using this before with I believe it's got a cloud blade in it. Super smooth, super efficient. Doesn't hurt. Some blades hurt to use. Some razor blades hurt to use. This one does not. Really impressed. So, that's just an awesome shave. So, this is going to wrap this one up. Got to go play some more disc golf once my back recovers. So, thank you for everyone for watching. Thank you, Dino, for mentioning this particular set. Thank you to Monica Gillum for your help. I had a few questions for you, and I really appreciate you getting back to me promptly and answering. Thank you for the extras you sent along. So, we'll wrap this one up. And thank you guys again for everything. You guys take care. We'll see you real soon. Bye-bye.